Ever worry about carrying a hot, bubbling meal to a family gathering only to end up with spills and mess? The Hamilton Beach 7-quart portable slow cooker tackles that problem head-on. Its unique lid latch strap secures the lid firmly to the handles, so you can transport your favorite dishes without a single drip. Whether it's a potluck or a dinner party, this slow cooker keeps your meals safe and intact. No stress, no spills. What makes this slow cooker a standout is its generous 7-quart stoneware crock, designed to handle everything from hearty lasagnas and desserts to large cuts of meat. It comfortably fits a 7-pound chicken or a 5-pound roast, serving 8 or more people with ease. Perfect for family dinners or meal prepping for the week, it delivers size and versatility in one compact appliance. Cooking flavorful meals has never been easier. With simple, intuitive controls, you just turn the dial and let the slow cooker do the work. Choose between low or high heat settings, then switch to keep warm once your meal is ready. This feature ensures your food stays at the ideal temperature until you're ready to eat. No need to rush or reheat. Cleaning up is a breeze too. The removable stoneware crock and glass lid are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after cooking. If you prefer hand washing, the crock's manageable size and weight make it easy to clean in the sink without hassle. One satisfied user shares, "I use this weekly to meal prep soup for my lunches. It's the perfect size for 1 or 2 people. You just add ingredients, turn the knob, and go about your day." The high setting cooks soup in about 3 hours, while the low setting takes 6. Plus, your home smells amazing while it cooks. This slow cooker fits seamlessly into busy lifestyles, offering convenience and delicious results every time. If you're looking for a reliable slow cooker that combines capacity, portability, and ease of use, the Hamilton Beach 7-quart portable slow cooker is worth a look. Its spill-proof design and simple controls make it ideal for anyone who wants tasty meals without the mess or fuss. Try it when you're ready to make cooking effortless and enjoyable.